Hello, my name is Rishit Naskar and I'm from PyHub. So, in this course, welcome to this course called Machine Learning, and here we will, as in the title, we will explore machine learning, which is a fastly growing concept in these recent times. So, in this video, I'll introduce you to the concept of machine learning. Alright, so what is machine learning? Well, machine learning is basically a system which involves repeated testing and improvement of the data which we are given. So, in order to arrive at an accurate prediction, one major advantage of this machine learning system is that it is flexible to a wide range of data. You give any data, it will take a lot of time, but it will arrive at an accurate prediction, in which compared to basic model will be better. So what is the use of machine learning, if you ask? Well, machine learning, machine learning finds growing use day by day, as it is a system which is open to any data, as I told you, and it involves continuous improvement, which means that it's continuously improving the predictions or the accuracy of itself, and leading to more accurate data analysis, and thus it is more flexible. So let's look at some of the applications. So we have a wide range of applications as well in the recent times, one of which is self-driving cars. Another one, product recommendations, which we see in sites like Amazon, probably Netflix, and Amazon. According to our recent buying history or search history or movie watching history, we get product recommendations or movie recommendations, which helps the user to select movies or buy items. And we also have image recognition, which is very common, which is one of the most common uses of machine learning. We have speech recognition, for example, Alexa, for example, the Windows Cortana or Microsoft Cortana. We have Siri. They use speech recognition system. Also Google's Google Home, and also the Google browser. In the browser we have the speech recognition system, which recognizes our speech, and we can, without even typing, we can surf the internet. We also have email spam and malware filtering, which is a new feature in Gmail. We can spam emails. We can filter if there is any malware, because Google always checks mails for viruses. We also have a virtual personal assistant, where like Google Home, as I said, Siri, Amazon, Alexa. So they are virtual personal assistants. Now let's look at this thing which I introduced earlier, which is a basic model. Now this is a basic description of diagram of a basic model. Here we have an input. Here we have an input where we supply X. In this case, X is the input or the input data. This input is taken to a function which after performing the function gives us the output data. Alright, that's the basic model. But if you look at a machine learning model, it's more complex, but it's more accurate as well. And first it involves inputting the data, which is the input data. Then it involves splitting of the training and testing data. So we have one branch coordinator training data, one branch coordinator testing data. So this is a description, and depiction of a training data, which involves repeated testing and improvement. So it uses the training data. Training data consists of training data as well as a training test data, on which it tests itself and improves itself every time. Then finally, it's tested with the testing data, and we finally get the prediction, or we see whether our prediction is how accurate is our prediction. So that's a machine learning model. It may seem a bit complex to you at first, but you will learn as we practice. All right, so finally we have we need to, in order to perform it in this course, we will do perform machine learning or teach you machine learning in Python. However, you can also do it in R or some any other software you may like, but for this course we are going to use Python. So for Python we have three tools, which are Google Colaboratory. I'll show you every one of them how to set up in the next video. And first of all, we have Google Colaboratory. If you do not know, it is Google's programming software. It contains all the most of the libraries, TensorFlow in it. So we probably may do in this one Google Colaboratory, or we may also do in Jupyter Notebook, which I use for my other courses. If you did not see my other courses, you may see it. I will recommend the first video for the downloading the Jupyter Notebook and the Anaconda Spider, because they fall into the same category, or they come with the same download of the Anaconda software. However, for in this course too, I will show it. I'll show how to download each of them and how to set up each of them for machine learning. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy learning machine learning in this course.